If your 2013 Ford Explorer air conditioning is blowing hot, the compressor might not be engaging at all. Statistics show that 70% of these compressor issues are actually caused by simple electrical faults. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to find your specific failure point. Start by checking the fuse block, verifying refrigerant levels, and listening for the audible click of the clutch. The most common culprits are a failed relay, a faulty pressure switch, or an excessive clutch gap due to wear. If those look good, look into the HVAC control module or potential mechanical seizure inside the compressor housing. Relays and switches are simple DIY tasks, but any work requiring system evacuation must be handled by a shop. Notice that electrical fixes are significantly cheaper than replacing the entire compressor unit. Use a multimeter, a quality scanner, and manifold gauges to isolate the exact source of your electrical or pressure issue. Keep your toolkit simple and always prioritize safety gear when working near potentially pressurized refrigerant lines. Remember, never condemn the compressor until you have proven the electrical circuit is actually dead. Follow these steps to get your cooling back on track and subscribe for more Ford troubleshooting guides.